Struggling to lose weight? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into 10 science-backed weight loss tips that actually work. Whether you're just starting or stuck on your journey, these tips will help you transform your lifestyle and reach your goals. Let's jump right in. First up, a calorie deficit. This is the foundation of weight loss. Simply put, you need to burn more calories than you consume. Apps or portion control can help you track your intake and stay on target. Tip 2. Protein is your best friend. It keeps you full longer and boosts your metabolism. Add protein-rich foods like eggs, chicken, and tofu to your meals for long-lasting energy. Building muscle doesn't just make you stronger. It also helps burn calories even at rest. Include strength training in your routine to see faster results. Next, fiber is key. It keeps you full and supports digestion. Add more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to your diet for a healthy gut and better weight management. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. Poor sleep affects hunger hormones, leading to overeating. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Staying hydrated helps control your appetite and boosts your metabolism. Start your day with a glass of water and keep sipping throughout. Sugary drinks can sneak in hundreds of empty calories. Swap sodas and juices for water or herbal teas. It's a simple change with big results. Mindful eating is a game changer. Slow down, enjoy your food, and listen to your body's hunger cues. It's not just about what you eat, it's how you eat. Meal planning helps you stay on track and avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Prep your meals ahead of time for stress-free, balanced eating. The secret? Consistency. It's not about being perfect every day, it's about building habits that last. Small, consistent changes lead to big results. Which tip will you start with? Share in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vital Vibes for more science-backed health tips.